Hi darling, welcome to my darling tarot. I missed you so much. It's like Happy New Year, Happy New Beginnings, and it's like a play button, you know, it's pushed after a long pause. It's like yes, something finally is moving forward. Yesterday, on the 1st of January, I was just like writing and getting ideas and opening for this new boost of energy. And only today I'm recording. Oh, I can see that you can see my water bottles in the background. It's not a commercial, I forgot to remove it. Okay, darlings, so about this play button, I don't know if you feel like this this Chemical Brothers push the button music, and also it feels like when you actually do push the play button, it is like the greatest hits. It's like the best year ever, hopefully for you. I feel like it is your like your brand new white year, like Snow White, and then you are feeling it with this with these things that you want to do, like you want to do some runs, like marathons, half marathons, 5Ks, or maybe, you know, like city runs, whatever you feel like, Greenland, dreams. So it's all waiting, the concerts that you want to visit this year. See? Oh dear, this is like this kind of energy. At the bottom you have the 9 of Pentacles. Officially my darling favorite tarot card. And let me see if I can remove these bottles. I can remove these bottles, yeah. Okay, so this is absolute abundant brand new year. This is, you know, like slowing down, like taking more confidence in, like even I would say full confidence in yourself. Like you are here to rule. Hello, it's like your garden, and you see four of those sticks. At the bottom, brand new Ace of Wands. Come on, what I'm speaking about. Oh, it's so fiery. It's such a fire for action. You know, this is this play button, my friends. I pushed the play button, yes, very well. And at the bottom you can see also four of Pentacles. Yeah, the abundance requires very much to check on this energy, okay? To make a checklist. Where do I can move myself? Yeah, breathe and move forward, you know, that's beautiful. Okay, at the beginning, the card that is starting this reading for the new year is the Lovers. I don't know, I mean, I'm surprised. I'm surprised, not expecting, but hey, you know, it's sometimes about not expecting the things in this department. And also look, this purple color here, that is this strength, this It's even the color, I think I see it correctly, right? It's the color of power, of money, of abundance. It's what they use for all these programs, right? For financial success. Yeah, they use this color and they tell you how to get here to this connection. And yeah, lovers, it's not only about love, but it's about like unison, you know. It's about unison and overcoming some kind of, well, it's about being naked also. Okay, let's see. We have here the 7 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles. Whoa. That's a brand new start. I mean, it's very good. It's not even a brand new start because you are using your previous experience, right? And you are exhibiting. That's why it's the play button. It's the greatest hits because it is what you are going to show to the world using the Empress energy and being guided with the lovers. Or maybe being distracted with the lovers. Well, it sometimes works this way or the other, right? Don't worry, you have the Temperance to measure like the right amount of what you want in the equation. This was a lot of waiting, and Temperance also is like, okay, I was waiting. I have the patience. But it's this patience and this waiting that gave you like so much more confidence. I'm just looking at the sky that is just so stunning and beautiful. And the King of Wands. If you feel like you are the King of Wands, or that you feel that it's your King of Wands, we are going to clarify this. Because the King of Wands, that's amazing. That's amazing, especially like the new, uncovered, unknown, brand new year. You have this Ace of Wands, right? You have this Ace of Wands at the bottom, right? And you're going to super master it. That's... I see only beautiful cards here. Let's see how we can verify that. The Temperance. Do you feel that you have more patience after 2025? Tell me down. Is the Empress also a patient mother? I love her stars. Or was it the Lover's card also that taught you the patience? Listen, the play button, the greatest hits, and let's see the King of Wands. Who is he? What is he doing here? Why is he here? For you. You know why he's here for you? I have a déjà vu. Because of the Queen of the Wands, because of the Knight of Swords, and because of the Queen of Pentacles. It seems like this is the king with whom you would like to nourish things. It's very likely. But he could also be like the King of the Wands that was not decided in between, or there was night in between. You know, the Knight of Swords, you know what I think about him. He's reckless, and I honestly, not my favorite type. I mean, you can go through some kind of experience and then you learn, and then you're like, okay, come on, calm down. But still, this energy of Queen of Wands. This is tempting for him. And also this Queen of Pentacles. And if you have inside of yourself this calmness and this nourishment, right? But also this curiosity and also this strength and also this... I think she's eccentric in a way. Because actually if a woman says what she wants, it's already like eccentric in this world. Let's check on the Seven of Pentacles. What are we discussing and thinking over here? Okay, at the bottom of the deck, the Four of Swords, the communication, Eight of Wands, and Five of Swords, walking away. Okay. Okay. You've been dreaming about something, you are expecting communication, and you are walking away from something, most likely. Yes, because you're evaluating, right? Something is not exactly right. You're thinking, waiting, checking. You are healing some things in the process. The Star is here. It can be also Aquarius. And yes, it's this evaluation. Is this really serving about your abundance? Because look, he has 7, but she has 6 plus 3. She has 6 only for herself. And we have the King of Pentacles. So look, that's really about the abundance. Building the abundance based on the previous experiences. Yeah. Yeah, because you're not getting into any kind of project without much consideration. You're going to make it right this year. You're going to make it right, you know, with the right partners in the right time. I don't know, in the right ambient. And you're going to display it. You're going to make it happen. That's an excellent. This is excellent cards. I mean, it looks like not really beautiful, not really so motivating, but actually it is. Look at that. And final, one more clarification. Let's go for it. Let's go for the Lovers. I want to see what it is for you this year. Whew. I cannot unsay it or unsee it. The Four of Swords, 7 of Swords, and 9 of Swords. Okay. So it is mostly about loving yourself, you know, after this experience of being betrayed, of being, of feeling like you need to get out of something. So this year, this brand new Ace of Wands, this 9 of Pentacles, it's all about you. It's all about you. And you know what? Hey, let's you know what it was. It was not that easy. It was not that easy. But you are entering the brand new year with fate, you could say. You could say that it's fate, brand new beginning, and hey, all about me this time. Let's check it. And I can understand why this energy. Because it's all about me, and I need a little bit to, you know, to feel my feet on the ground. Yes. That is what I can feel. But I believe that you already pushed the play button and it's 2nd of January. I don't know. This reading is timeless. Obviously, it's for this year. And let's see if there is a message. Whale spirit, trust